Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import stock tax information in TurboTax. So first is head over to TurboTax and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, we're just going to click on any button that will take us to our dashboard. Then next in the left panel, click on Federal, then Wages and Income. The next is look for investments and savings that includes 1099B form and just click on whatever button appears in here if it's review, start, or add and edit. And as you can see, sale of stocks, bonds, and etc. is included in this. All you have to do is answer questions from this prompt. Starting with, did you have investment income in 2024? So all you have to do is answer yes and no. Just go through all the on screen prompts. And from here, you will be taken to this page that says, let's import your tax info. And from here, you can basically start importing your stock tax information. First is select your financial institution, or you can also search it on the search bar. So say for example, it's Robinhood. And from here, all you have to do is enter in your 9-digit account number and 11-digit document ID. And once everything is done, just head over and click on Get My Form. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!